The Rhino Carbon Pool Q Single Shaft Collection truly shines as one of the most impressive budget-friendly upgrades available to pool players today, consistently earning heartfelt enthusiasm from everyone who tries them. These shafts bring that coveted low-deflection magic right into your hands without forcing you to empty your wallet on luxury brands, and the difference becomes obvious almost from the first rack. The cue ball behaves with remarkable predictability, whether you're drawing for position, applying side spin for shape, or powering through a long straight-in shot. The deflection is so minimal that you can trust your aim far more than with traditional maple or even older low-deflection options. Players repeatedly describe the hit as buttery smooth yet responsive, delivering crisp, clean feedback through the forearm without any harsh vibration or dull thud. It simply feels alive and connected to the table in a way that builds confidence shot after shot. The carbon fiber weave is exceptionally well engineered, dense, uniform, and remarkably resistant to warping no matter if you're playing in humid summer evenings in Maharashtra or cooler indoor halls, so the shaft stays laser-straight month after month with zero maintenance headaches. Many users point out how the carefully chosen taper profile, often praised as one of the most comfortable and natural they've felt, lets the cue glide effortlessly through the bridge hand, while the front-end construction, solid ferrule, layered tip, and precise weight distribution, transfers energy so efficiently that break shots crack louder, long-distance draws pull back farther, and finesse shots land with surgical precision. What really sets these Rhino Carbon single shafts apart is the overwhelming sense of value. Time and again people say things like, "I was skeptical at this price, but it honestly outperforms shafts I paid 3 or 4 times more for," or, "This is the smartest money I've spent on my game in years," or even, "My friends keep borrowing it because they can't believe how good it plays." Whether you choose a 12.4 mm for pinpoint control, 12.8 mm for that perfect all-around balance, or 13 mm for a slightly more traditional feel, the consistency across the line is outstanding. Joint options fit snugly, threading is clean, and every shaft arrives ready to play with pro-level attention to detail. For intermediate players looking to step up their accuracy, advanced players wanting a reliable backup or travel shaft, or anyone tired of fighting deflection and inconsistency, the Rhino Carbon Collection delivers genuine performance joy that keeps players coming back to Rhino-Billiards.com with big smiles and even bigger improvements in their scores. It's not hype, it's the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you waited so long to make the switch to modern carbon technology done this well and this affordably.